Today you will speak real English. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's start. Listen. I wake up at home. Repeat. I wake up at home. Speak now. I wake up at home. Listen. I make my bed every morning. Repeat. I make my bed every morning. Speak now. I make my bed every morning. Listen. I clean my room. Repeat. I clean my room. Speak now. I clean my room. Listen. I watch TV in the living room. Repeat. I watch TV in the living room. Speak now. I watch TV in the living room. Listen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Repeat. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Speak now. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Listen. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. Speak now. I wash the dishes after dinner. Listen. I listen to music at home. I listen to music at home. Speak now. I listen to music at home. Listen. I use my phone on the sofa. I use my phone on the sofa. Speak now. I use my phone on the sofa. Listen. I take a shower in the evening. I take a shower in the evening. Speak now. I take a shower in the evening. Listen. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. Speak now. I go to bed at night. Listen. I want to buy a new shirt. Repeat. I want to buy a new shirt. You speak now. I want to buy a new shirt. Listen. How much is this jacket? Repeat. How much is this jacket? You speak now. How much is this jacket? Listen. Do you have this in a different size? Repeat. Do you have this in a different size? You speak now. Do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? Repeat. Can I try this on? You speak now. Can I try this on? This is too expensive. This is too expensive. You speak now. This is too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? Do you have something cheaper? You speak now. Do you have something cheaper? I like this dress. I like this dress. You speak now. I like this dress. I will take this one. I will take this one. You speak now. I will take this one. Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? You speak now. Do you have this in another color? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? You speak now. Can I pay by card? Listen. I go to work every day. Repeat. I go to work every day. Speak now. I go to work every day. Listen. I start work at 9 a.m. Repeat. I start work at 9 a.m. Speak now. I start work at 9 a.m. Listen. I work in an office. Repeat. I work in an office. Speak now. I work in an office. Listen. I sit at my desk. Repeat. I sit at my desk. Speak now. I sit at my desk. Listen. I use a computer at work. Repeat. I use a computer at work. Speak now. I use a computer at work. Listen. I write emails every day. I write emails every day. Speak now. I write emails every day. Listen. I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers. Speak now. I talk to my coworkers. Listen. I have a meeting in the morning. I have a meeting in the morning. Speak now. I have a meeting in the morning. Listen. I take a break at noon. I take a break at noon. Speak now. I take a break at noon. Listen. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch with my coworkers. Speak now. I eat lunch with my coworkers. Listen. I finish work at 6 p.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. Speak now. I finish work at 6 p.m. Listen. I go home after work. I go home after work. Speak now. I go home after work. Listen. I wake up early. Repeat. I wake up early. Speak. I wake up early. Listen. I eat breakfast every day. Repeat. I eat breakfast every day. Speak. I eat breakfast every day. Listen. I take a shower in the morning. Repeat. I take a shower in the morning. Speak. I take a shower in the morning. Listen. I drink water every day. Repeat. I drink water every day. Speak. I drink water every day. Listen. I go to school in the morning. Repeat. I go to school in the morning. Speak. I go to school in the morning. Listen. I study English at home. Repeat. I study English at home. Speak. I study English at home. Listen. I play football with my friends. Repeat. I play football with my friends. Speak. I play football with my friends. Listen. I watch TV in the evening. Repeat. I watch TV in the evening. Speak. I watch TV in the evening. Listen. I do my homework after school. Repeat. I do my homework after school. Speak. I do my homework after school. Listen. I go to bed at night. Repeat. I go to bed at night. Speak. I go to bed at night. For new episodes, you can like the video and subscribe to our channel. If the video is helpful, please write a comment.